Guys, the printer has finally arrived. Here it is here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the printer, and it takes a little bit to set up, but hopefully we're going to be testing some products as well. Alright, we just unboxed everything we got today. Unfortunately, we did not get the inks and the cleaning cartridges. So that's going to be really important because that's what we actually run the print off. And then we can finally get this started.
Many unbearable hours later.
Guys, the printer is finally here and I was just waiting on the ink cartridges, and today the colors are good. We got blue, magenta, yellow, black, white, and the gloss finish. Those all look really, really good. No fading, no deformation. The print turned out great. Now we're gonna calibrate the camera. That should take about 10 minutes or so. Okay, I just finished calibrating the camera, but this is not good. Okay guys, we kind of fucked up and took this out too early, but I think we will be okay. Okay, this part looks good. The camera is calibrating right now. I just set up my air purifier, and this is a well ventilated area. Just make sure you're not trapped in a room with this and you don't have any type of air circulation or anything. You could inhale some bad fumes. So far, it doesn't really smell too bad. Just the inks when you open them up made a little smell. So far from the prints, it's not too bad. Success! Let's go! Please now we remove the white film. Remove the white film, peel off the transparent film from the adhesive mat, align and stick to the flatbed. If the adhesive mat is already attached to the flatbed, just peel off the white film or paper and start creating. Let's go. These are all the options we can print. Okay guys, don't do what I did. Don't take this off too early. It still needs to print these little QR code things and then calibrate the camera. But that was a success once I put this thing back on. And now I can officially take it off. Now I just have to attach the sticky mat carefully. And guys, don't do what I did. Make sure to leave that paper on because I accidentally printed some QR codes on the bed, but it kind of looks cool and we're covering it up anyway, so. All right. And this here is a sticky bed so that things that you place onto it will stick right onto the bed. Take that out. All right. Okay, so now we just print out our first textured project. I think we have to go with, out of all these options, I think we have to go with the dragon. Place the magnet on the adhesive side. One thing you guys want to do before this right there. And that way it'll still stick, but any overspray won't get onto the print bit. We got the magnet in there. Taps. Boom. So this is what the printer is seeing exactly. So you can see the tape that I put down there. That's covering up the whole thing. Just keep it as is and we'll press start print. All right, let's get it. Here we go. Dragon. 16 minutes. All right, the first print is done. It took 15 minutes, 58 seconds, so about 16 minutes. Use 1.48 milliliters, not too bad. And yeah, I'll give it a 5. I already know it's gonna be a 5. Boom, see we got some overspray there, but we protected it with the tape. And look at that. You can run your finger over it. You can see the texture printed on there perfectly. You try to scrape it. It's not coming off. Wow. To anybody that's made it to this point in the video, thank you so much. It really means a lot. Hit that follow button, like, subscribe, and watch me build this from the bottom. Let's go.